Okay, so I'm sitting with two gentlemen and neither of them can do this dance.
No, man, we just want people. If me and him ever get up, we done that.
So it's only the Psycho Bunny shirt and have in common?
If me and him get up, we done it.
Well, let's done it.
No, we can't.
Up DJ, up DJ, up DJ.
No, we can't, brother.
Come Nev, let's see what
we
you can do.
Brother. The man come for something else, man. We can't, brother. If me and
If
me and him get up,
Get up,
done.
get up, get up.
No,
Come on,
we
Vegas,
can't,
get up, get up.
Stop me one them laugh off.
We can't, brother.
Mr. Vegas, one of Jamaica's most successful artists, the instantly recognizable voice behind so many of the genres' definitive anthems like Take With Yourself, Nike Air. What again? Give me one more.
My God, I am blessed.
Thank you.
Heads eye.
You say heads eye, heads eye. Heads eye, I try to remember.
Break it down.
Well, this morning he's joining us to share the details of his latest song and his dance move. That's what you're going to do this morning before the show done. Me now ask.
You're not for it. Easy. Easier than boogie woogie.
Vegas, what's going on, man? Welcome to the show.
I'm good. Give thanks. Long time.
Yeah, it has been.
Yeah,
what's
very
been
long
going
time. Long time. Well, of course, you know, we just kind of ease out of the pandemic, I guess.
Easing
out.
Silly.
So it's been like, I think like about 4 years now in Sono.
Yeah.
But how tough has it been for you because of the pandemic? Because you don't travel. I mean, I don't know, but people weren't traveling and not a lot of shows going on. So how tough was that for you?
Well, I kind of balance the time with school because I'm going to FIU.
Is he?
Yeah, man. Supposed to graduate this.
What are you doing at FIU?
Anthropology, sociology, and I did a minor in hospitality management.
And you want the man get up and do boogie woogie?
Of course, he's a multi-dimensional intellectual.
So I kind of use the time there because there were a lot of online classes, virtual classes. So
anthropology,
yeah, man.
Sociology,
yeah, man. Just to learn more about people and society and them things.
That's really fascinating.
Get to understand people more and understand the madness of the world. But then you get to understand it, and then sometimes you're sorry, so you didn't even know about it.
Oh my
because
God.
you're like, all of these things, you know.
Study of man.
Exactly. You see me, I say so. But, you know, apart from that, we wrote a lot of songs. We were in the studio just to see him. We got a few shows, you know, where they allowed us to perform. And then, you know, just work from there. You know, things kind of open back up now. So we going back on the road this fall.
I want to get something out of the way quickly before we come to why the real reason you're here. The ban on certain lyrics in music and stuff. Do you have a comment on it?
My views are conflicting, and it's going to take a whole show to even go through them. I just think I think dancehall is kind of, they kind of throw dancehall under the bus, and it kind of set a bad precedent in other territories where the music was not even an issue, or the type of lyrics that people were singing were, you know, was not even an issue. Like we see St. Lucia now, you know, putting out something that a man was on the stage with a firearm, and then you really check the details now, you realize that man was a security. But they make it sound as if it's the music brought that, you know, to the and we want to be careful of the type of language that we put out there when it comes down to the music, because I'm not only just banning violent music, like music as a, you know, you sing a song, you can't put certain slang in a music again. I think the Broadcasting Commissioner need to look into what he's doing. Because Jamaica, we have a kind of authenticity with our culture. Certain words we use, you know, certain slangs, they just get a little thing to the music, and, you know, we have to be very careful of that.
With it?
Some way. Depend. I think the approach is wrong. And there's no data to show that dance and music is really contributing to criminality. So we have to be very careful. Everybody
Do you think music has that potency to affect behavior, though?
I would have to look at the data. There's no, I don't see any study.
Yeah.
You understand? Where's the study that was done on it? You know.
There's a gentleman called Pavlov, who is a Russian.
For the stimulus.
Yeah. And he kind of suggests that, if you.
I'm sure there are others.
He kind of suggests that if you keep hearing it on music, you kind of go and do the music, tell if you do. Anyway, that's not why you're here. So
right.
Let's not digress. Tell me about this song now.
Well, QQ's father, you know.
QQ's father is GQ?
Yeah.
Is his mother MQ? I mean, come on. Wow.
I think IQ.
Oh my God.
It's a real brother. GQ is like a real brother. So, of course, GQ said, yo, check your phone, I'm going to send you a dance. It bad, you know. And I looked at it and said, Patas King, I need to link up them youth here. Them around the place. You know, Patas King, them responsible.
Of course, ding.
Like so much of the dances, them. And think, you know, it kind of feel good for me to like give them a the platform, you know, like try to get them on the road overseas where people kind of know them, that side of the dance hall. So when they show me the dance, we just link up pattern, you know, sing something and send to him and he say, change that and change that. And we just did it.
How
and
easy
it's
is
working.
that though? Somebody send you a rhythm and you just listen to it and just come up with some lyrics?
It's like Shabba did say DJs cock up when they hear boom rhythm. So when you hear a rhythm and you have an idea, it just works.
Yeah.
You understand? It's just that with good beats. You know, like this. When I heard this, when I got this beat from Danny Brownie, I had heads eye in my head already.
You started to write when you hear it?
No, man, I already had the song.
Okay.
But when I hear this now, it's like these type of beats, everything fit on it. Every song in the 90s can fit on the same beat.
It's just key you have to change, right?
Right. And I think most of the beats are playing like a similar key. Where, the keys were similar. So when we go stage show, put on this and everybody could sing on it.
Okay.
You understand? So it's just the same thing when I heard the beat and I heard it.
You know what I'm curious about Vegas? You think that the end of rhythm culture has anything to do with, but I don't want to call it the waning popularity, because dancehall is still important, but has it changed the music a lot? You know,
I think we have moved away from juggling.
But is that good or bad? That's what I'm, because the singles are one thing, but juggling was a big part of that.
Juggling was a big thing, but now that we have more outlets, so everybody can go record themselves. You understand? One time you have to go to Neville because I have the body rhythm. I have to come to you because you have the body rhythm and you were the producers. Yeah? So everybody couldn't just sing foolishness in a sense and just release it. It was a process. So you have to go through that process there to get on the radio, to get on television. So that was essential, to the music.
All of me?
Yeah, that was done with a girl from Ghana. And we have another one now with a girl named Yemino, another. I'm doing some Afro thing with some Nigerian, but that we come back and address that another time. Right now we have both them.
Man.
Oh.
All right, so both, come. We could talk about that now. Are you going to show us the dance?
Not me, Patas King them there. It's real easy, so nobody fret.
So why you can't show us the dance?
Because me just see it, me just have a eyes to the dancing, me don't want to look fool on TV.
We do it every day.
But me I go do it whenever I do it to say we see it.
Speak for yourself. I don't look fool.
We do it every
I promise you, when Pata, if me show you, you are going to do it wrong. But if Pata show you, you are going to catch it quick.
We do it wrong all the time.
No, me I going to mess up your mechanism.
I don't know anything wrong.
Wait, you don't even know it.
All right.
You don't even know it.
So we go boom, boom, and then go boop, 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 boop.
Then that's easy. Boop.
So wait now.
Boop. Boop, 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 boop.
Something like that.
We do it all the while.
Come back here.
So the, and I'm
Go to the music now, Vegas, man.
You see it, you show me.
Yeah, but you can't just a boop, boop, boop,
Of course, but that is the thing. Boop.
When you're not with him. Ready, go on.
We are going for a break when we come back.
You know most of the dances them now.
Yeah.
At the beats and them kind of
Yeah,
give
like
this dirt bounce.
Yeah.
Like an African thing.
I mean,
So it's like
them.
it's like
You don't look
no, them
full
are
at all.
with it, no, me have two left foot.
Okay. So is it a both or is it a both?
Yeah.
Anyway,
While we do
like
that,
that
we go on for a break. We soon come back.
So both.
Yeah. Get your rhythm now. Get you in the rhythm now. Boom.